Q4 2021. I sold a total of 4,209 books, out of which 913 of those books were planners. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can create an amazing planner interior using Canva. I will show you a very important method that will save you a lot of time when you are creating your planners. But first let me show you different types of planners that you can create. At first we have a 5-year planner. This type of planner only has a monthly view of 60 months in it and is really easy to create. I would recommend publishing this planner in hardcover format as it needs to be durable for long use. Next we have 10-year planner. This is the same type of planner as 5-year planner, but it is twice as big and you have the interior with 120 months. And next we have got various short form planners, and these planners include 1-year planner, 18 months planner and 2-year planner. Today we will learn how to create 2-year planner. But at the end of the video I am also going to show you how you can create your 1-year planner as well. Let's start by taking a look at some of the planners on Amazon website and note some details that we need to consider before creating our book. This planner has got a size of 8.5 by 11 inches and has got 57 pages. If we take a look at the A+ content section, we can see that the planner has got yearly reference calendars, size of 8.5 by 11 inches as we noted earlier, and it starts from January 2023 to December 2024. Between each monthly pages there are 2 lined pages for additional notes. Now with these details, let's start creating our planner. First of all, we are going to go to Canva and let's create a new design of size 8.5 by 11 inches. After that, make sure your rulers and guides are shown in your artboard. If the rulers and guides are not shown, then go to this file tab and just click on show rulers and guides. Now I am going to drag a vertical guide at a distance of 0.5 inches from the left, and it doesn't need to be exactly 0.5. make sure you are approximately around 0.5 inches. And now we are going to again drag one horizontal guide and place it at 0.5 inches from the top, and we are going to do the same at the right and bottom half of the artboard. Now we are going to add another horizontal guide at 1.5 inches from the top. So make sure it is approximately at 1.5 inches. You don't have to exactly place it at 1.5 inches. After that, we are going to add a table by going to this elements tab, and we are going to search for a table and add the table with these highlighted headings. Now we are going to add one additional column and 2 additional rows to our table. After that, we are going to drag our table and make sure it is inside the rulers that we created earlier. Now we are going to make sure all of the rows are equal except this top heading rows, and also all the columns are equally spaced out. So select all the cells except this top cell and right click your mouse and just click size rows equally, and all of the cells will be of equal size. And similarly you can click size columns equally to make sure all of the cells are of equal size. Now after that, we are going to use this top row to write the dates. So our calendar is going to start from Monday. So after typing in the days, now we are going to add another text frame, and let's just add this. So we are going to add this text at the heading of our planner, and we are not going to write what month it is right now, and I am going to tell you the reason in a while. So after that, we are going to add another page, or simply we can duplicate this page also, but let's copy the interior at the duplicated page. Now what we are going to do is change the heading. At first page we did up to Thursday. Now we are going to write the remaining days, and at the final box we are going to keep it for notes. So now what we are going to do is merge the sales in the notes section, and we are going to also add some of the lines. So let's search for some lines to add into the notes section. So to add the lines, what you are going to do is simply add one line at the notes section, and you are going to press Ctrl C and Ctrl B to copy it multiple times, around 20 times. So after you copy it at around 20 times, what you are going to do is drag one of the line and place it at the bottom of your table. So after placing it at the bottom of your table, select the entire table and just make sure to lock the table. So after that you are going to select the line, and what you are going to do is go to this position tab and click on this tidy up. So now if you see the lines, you can see that all the lines are equally aligned. So in this way you can add different lines in your note section. So after adding the lines, we are now going to select this cell from the note section, and we are going to unlock it first of all. So let's select the cell, and we are going to go to this color tab, and we are going to give it this grayish look, little bit of grayish look. And finally we are going to change this heading to 2023. Just make sure that the heading looks adjacent to the top page. What I mean by that is, if you write 2023 on the right side on the top page, you are going to write it on the left side on the bottom page. So now most of our work is done. Now we are going to fill the date, and to fill the date, start from Monday and assume Monday as the first day of the month. And you can use tab in your keyboard to just scroll through various different cells to save a time. Don't just hover your mouse over individual cells and click it to fill the date. Use tab in your keyboard. So let's start filling the dates. So now we are going to fill the date in the bottom section. So in the bottom section we are going to simply add in the remaining dates. So Thursday was the 4th day of the month, then Friday is going to be 5th, 6th, 7th. So in this way we can fill the date. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to select all of the cells that we just filled, and we are going to align the text to the left, and similarly we are going to go to this spacing tab, and we are going to align the text to the top so that there is enough space for the customers to write in the cells. So we are going to do the same thing in the bottom part of the table. Align it to the left and align the text to the top. So the first month is complete. Now what we are going to do is add another page, and we are going to copy the first page and just paste it here. And this month is going to be the second month, and we are going to similarly copy the second part of the page and just add it here, and similarly edit it. So now in this next section we are going to insert the dates in the cell starting from Tuesday, and Tuesday is going to be the first day of the month. So what you can do is simply just reduce 1 from each of the number that we just inserted. So in place of 2 you can write 1, so in place of 3 you can write 2, and in place of 4 you can write 3. So you can start from 7 here, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can start from 14, 15, 16, 17. Just use tab in your keyboard for simplicity. 21, 22, 23, 24. It's going to be 28, 29 and 30, and it's going to be 31 on Thursday. So similarly we are going to do the same on the bottom half of the table as well. It's gonna start from 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13. It's going to be 18, 19, 20, 25, 26, 27. So second month is also complete. Now we are going to repeat the same process and copy this month and just add it here. So you are going to copy the second month first page, as well as add another page and copy the second month note section as well, and you are going to do the same thing and start this third month from Wednesday, and you are going to repeat this process for 7 consecutive months. So I have created the calendar for 7 different months, and each month start with a different day in a week. So the month 7 start from Sunday, whereas the first month starts from Monday. So after that we are going to add another page, and in this page we are going to just create a lined interior. After we have created this lined interior and the template of 7 different months of our planner, now it's really easy to create planner. And after you have successfully created these different template, you can now create planner for any year. So let's say you are creating your planner for the year after 2 years for your year 2025. You can use this same template, and you don't have to spend time creating new template to create your planner. So after you have done this work, creating planner becomes really easy. Now we are going to go to home and create a new design of custom size 8.5 by 11 inches. So now to create our planner, all we have to do is arrange the templates that we just created in particular order. So what we are going to do is look at the 2023 calendar first of all. So let's take a look at this. So if we take a look at the 2023 calendar, we can see that January starts from Sunday. So now we are going to go to our template and see the month that starts from Sunday. So the month that starts from Sunday is the month 7. So we are going to simply copy this month here. Let's add another page, and we are going to again copy the note section. And now what we are going to do is see how many days are there on January. So as we have created all the templates with 31 days, if there are months with days less than 31, we are going to delete the days from the cell. So as January has 31 cells, we don't need to edit it. All we have to do is just go here and just type in January in this month section, and similarly we are going to type in January in this note section as well. Now we are going to add 2 different pages, and in these 2 different pages we are simply going to copy the lined pages that we created and just paste it. So after that what we are going to do is similarly add 2 different pages, and we are going to see the second month, which is February. So as February starts from Wednesday, we are going to go to our calendar template and see the month that starts from Wednesday. So it's going to be the third month. So we are going to copy the third month and just paste it here. Similarly, we are going to copy the note section and similarly paste it here. So as February has 28 days, we are going to delete the remaining dates from the cell. And what we are going to do is simply edit this text. So similarly, now you can just add two different pages and just copy the lined interior and paste it. So you can just repeat the process for the 12 different month, and you can go to the year 2024 and do the same process. And you don't really have to create individual tables and fill in individual cells to create your planner. So after you have completed your interior for the entire months, what you can do is add various different pages at the front end of your planner. So you can add these pages as I have created here. You can add this as your first page, and you can similarly add this calendar of year 2023 and 2024. And to add this calendar, what you can do is you can go down below in the description and just download the images that I have provided and use it in your calendar. The images has been created by me, so you can use it without any restrictions. So if you want other different types of images, what you can also do is go to freepik.com and you can just download the calendars and use it by uploading it to Canva. If you don't have the professional license of Freepik, then make sure to attribute freepik.com somewhere inside your planner. You can do so at the end of your planner. Just mention that the images are from freepik.com or something like that. So in this way you can create your 2-year planner. So now let's talk how you can create your 1-year planner. To create your yearly planner, you can just edit the line pages that we just created earlier and just slightly modify it as I have done here. So as you can see, I have created this weekly section of the planner which starts from January 1st to January 7th, and I have added various different days. As you can see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and in the next section I have done the same. Actually, we can place this on the right side. So if you are placing this heading on the left side on the top page, then make sure to place it on the right side on the bottom page. And as you can see, I have added Friday, Saturday, Sunday and added this note section at the end. You can also add various quotes or other stuff in this section. So in this way you can create other different pages. So it starts from January 1 to 7. Now you can create another page that starts from January 8 to 14 and similarly goes through all the weeks in January. And what you can do is place all the pages after the month of January. So as we created the monthly section previously, you can just place the monthly section first and place 4 different weeks after that monthly section to create your yearly planner. So friends, I hope you got the point. So friends, I hope you found today's video helpful. If you found some value from today's video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching this video. Have an epic day.